hope you're all doing well. As you all know that I was tested positive with COVID sometime back, and during that course I thought that I should document my line of treatment, and if it could be of help to any one of you, it would be great. So my COVID lasted for about 11 days. I tested negative on the 11th day, and it wasn't that bad. I did have fever for about 3-4 days and in general fatigue, but otherwise I was pretty good. And of course the entire line of treatment was being taken care of by doctors and experts. Like my yoga was being looked upon by Anshika, who's my yoga expert. So I thought, let me give you all a little bit of tips, and I really hope all of this helps.
I'm going to get started with my steam. And I don't like the steamer. I don't think it's hot enough. So I do the ancient way of towel and steam. So this is what my steaming looks like. It's got about 2 drops of lemongrass oil and a little bit of ajwain. So this is what my gargle water looks like. It's a little bit of salt, turmeric, and of course warm as you like, and I gargle about thrice a day with this. After I finish my steam, I try and do all the breathing exercises, starting with Kapalbhati. So this is how you do Kapalbhati. Close your eyes, inhale, and I do about 300 Kapalbhatis, followed by Bhastrika. This is how you do Bhastrika. So every time you pull down your elbows, you exhale. That's how you do Bhastrika. So what I do is, I do a set of 21 and 3 sets each, 3 to 4 sets depending on how I feel. And then your basic pranayam, which is inhale, hold, exhale, hold. This I do as soon as I finish my morning steam or my breathing exercises. And after I do these 3, then I do Brahmi, and this is how you do Brahmi. You place your index finger above your eyebrows, your middle finger on your eyes, ring finger under your eyes, and with your thumbs you close your ear cavity. So your lips are supposed to be closed, pursed, and your teeth are supposed to be slightly apart, and the bee humming sound that you make should echo in your system, you know. So I do about 7 rounds of Brahmi, and these are my morning breathing techniques that I've been doing. Now it depends from body to body as to how much energy levels you have. Today I felt that I should try and do some yoga stretches. On the first 3 days, I didn't do anything. I was just opening up my body, you know, moving my hands and my legs. But today being day 5, I thought I should just open up my body a little more and see as to how tired I feel or I don't. So just a few yoga asanas that don't really exhaust the body, but are good for blood flow. So I'm going to show you those asanas that courtesy Anshika, who's right here on Zoom with me, is making me do. So you could probably do these asanas.
Place it underneath your knees and lie back in butterfly head down.
an exercise for lungs, but let me start with showing you this first. So my blood oxygen is 97. Get a balloon. And 77. The thermometer, I had slight fever for the first 2-3 days, so I was checking my temperature, making sure that I don't have high temperature. Besides this, you know, there'll be medicines that your doctors will give you, which is I'm no doctor, so I'm not going to really list out the medicines here, but I'm sure your doctor is going to give you certain antibiotic and vitamins. Make sure you have your vitamin C and your zinc and some joint health. You know, your multivits should be in place, and besides that, you can get in touch with your doctors. Also, one more thing which I really swear by is this neem oil. I've been applying this in my nasal cavity before I go to sleep, and I think it really helps. So give it a try, and I hope it helps.
Also, what I realized is that it's not COVID that was as much of a problem because you're quarantined, you're taking enough rest, but it's post-recovery. So the very next day that I tested negative, I resumed work. In fact, that made me realize that the body is sort of weak and you can't get back to your normal workouts, your muscles feel tired, and you know, you get drained by evening. So please take care, you know, eat well, hydrate. Hydration is the key. I was having ORS, which is the oral rehydration, and that really helped me. So all of you all who are feeling this, please try it. And if you guys like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you all don't have to follow these tips and do not turn positive for COVID. So stay safe and please wear your mask.